If you're looking for the best, quietest bike trainer to upgrade your indoor cycling without the noise, you've come to the right place. In this video, we highlight the top options that deliver smooth performance with minimal sound. If you enjoy content like this, feel free to like the video or follow for more practical product insights. Number 1. Cycle-In Magnetic Bike Trainer Stand. This Cycle-In Bike Trainer is my top pick because it uses the quietest resistance technology, magnetic. Because it uses magnets to generate resistance, there's no friction inside the flywheel, meaning it's about as close to silent as you'll get. Importantly, there are 8 resistance settings, which you can adjust manually. It means you don't have to pedal faster to work harder, as you do on fluid resistance trainers. You can choose the resistance setting via a knob that can fit on the handlebar for convenient adjustment during training. The skewers lock into place separately, but the whole system is pretty secure. It's suitable for wheels 26,000 to 28 inches in diameter, although the manufacturer recommends using road tires. This is because the trainer can run the tread down fairly quickly on mountain bike tires. Number 2. CXWXC Magnetic Bike Trainer. It should be no surprise that the budget pick is also a magnetic resistance bike trainer. Considering it's roughly half the price of my top pick, it's a good way into indoor bike training for those who don't want to spend loads. This bike trainer uses the same magnetic resistance technology, but it only has 6 levels. You won't really lose much by not having as many levels, although it obviously means slightly less flexibility. It has a load capacity of 330 pounds, which is surprisingly high in comparison with the 265 pounds of the Cycle-In above, and fits tires between 26 and 29. As with other magnetic bike trainers, it's best to use road tires because of friction issues. Not only will this wear your tires down, it'll also create more noise. Number 3. Alcor Fluid Bike Trainer Stand. This Alcor bike trainer is a fluid resistance bike trainer. In short, fluid heats up as you pedal, generating more resistance. It's one of the quieter resistance technologies, second to magnetic, but does lack resistance control. The frame is stainless steel and has anti-slip rubber feet. Along with providing stability, these will help reduce impact noise slightly. Some users state that the frame is really easy to set up out of the box, taking around 10 minutes. DALPQR claims this bike trainer has noise reduction technology. Although it doesn't state what this is, it's fair to assume it might be the fluid resistance flywheel, and users state it's fairly quiet. Number 4. Ceres H3 Direct Drive Smart Trainer. If you want a bike trainer with all the bells and whistles, this one from Ceres could be for you. It uses electromagnetic resistance, the quietest type, and features Bluetooth connectivity. This is the first bike on this list that has smart features, such as compatibility with Zwift and Rouvy apps. You'll be able to track your performance and ride real-world routes with Zwift or Rouvy. Despite looking futuristic, it uses the same through-axle connection setup as other models. It's a direct drive model, meaning you remove your bike's rear wheel and attach the trainer where its axle should be. Removing the tire roller issue from the equation means you don't need to worry about wearing down your tires. More importantly, no friction with the tires means one less source of noise. Number 5. Ceres Fluid 2 Indoor Bike Trainer. Luckily, Ceres has included a decibel rating for this fluid trainer too. This time, it's 69 decibels, which should illustrate the difference in noise level between the 2 quietest resistance types. This is in part because the bike wheel makes contact with the resistance unit, so it'll always be louder. This trainer comes with a speed sensor, which you can connect to your indoor cycling app via Bluetooth. As such, it functions much like the Smart Trainer above, but at a lower price. Unlike the Smart Trainer, you don't need to remove your back wheel with this model. It's arguably easier to set up as a result, although if your bike has a quick-release wheel, it won't make that much difference either way. It comes with all the same features as the other bike trainers on this list. It's foldable, easy to assemble, and uses skewers to attach to your bike. It doesn't necessarily provide more functionality than the cheaper bike trainers, but its build quality is pretty high.